The first thing that comes up is the DAIHEN welcome. The next screen is the firmware, showing the different firmwares that are in the machine. The next screen is, it comes up to the amperage screen. This is the amperage from the last setting when the machine was shut down prior. So we have amperage, wire feed speed, the material thickness, the voltage, the arc tuning or arc trim, and last is the job number. When we go back to the amperage, as we scroll up or down, we can see we can change the amperage setting. These settings are the same for the other settings here for wire speed, voltage, arc tuning, and then lastly the program. We can notice the 125 amps, 23.7 volts on program 1. As we scroll up, 170 amps, 24.9 volts on program 2, and 200 amps, 27 volts on program 3. To get to this, you push the right-hand button and hold it, and it will show it that the program is loading, and then it comes back to the amperage for that program. Getting into the secondary screen, we push and hold the left button until the screen changes. First option up is inching. We can switch to the right to inching and call out and look at the inching speed. This one is 250 inches a minute. In the auto inching, we can push the right button again, and it will feed the wire out. In this case, it's preset for 250 inches a minute. We can scroll up and down to change that speed. The job save allows us to go in and look at jobs that are there and change those programs to call up a new program or save the program that's there. The arc control allows us to make adjustments to the arc control, which is a fine-tuning of our arc. The wave frequency allows us to go in and adjust the frequency of our wave pulse programs, either in DC wave pulse or AC wave pulse. The EN ratio allows us to adjust the ratio between positive and negative on our AC MIG machines. The version allows us to check the software version of this torch. The log allows us to check total welding time and max temperature. So in this case, this is a brand new torch and we see no welding time. And we see that the ambient temperature here is 27 degrees. The torch load is an indication of the power required to feed the wire. This is useful in examining the torch load differences and helps us know when to change liners and contact tips. The gas check allows us to feed gas or purge the gas from the torch handle without having to go back to the power source. And then we're back to inching. To go back to the main screen, we push and hold the left button again, and we're back to the primary controls. Another nice feature with our push-pull torches is the headlight. It allows us to get into dark areas and be able to see where we're making the weld. The light comes on by pushing the left-hand button and holding it until the light comes off, and then we can turn it off the same way.